Hey everybody, it's Joel with today's project. Here we are, back at it, filing again, checking and making sure that this window fits. Man, oh man, we are so close to the end. Just got a couple more things in insulation. I know everyone is sick of seeing insulation. At least I'm sick of seeing insulation with all these edits. Oh man. But yep, right now we are just filling in the insulation here. We're about ready to be cutting out the board that's going to go on that wall. And then after we get that in there, we will definitely check back in with you guys.
Those aren't those. What's important? Hold it. And like this.
So what actually happened here is as soon as we put the board in, we lost any sort of give that we had. So we had to kind of retouch it up, get those little fine tuning in there for this to be to fit. Once we got to a spot where we verified that the window is sitting in there like it should be, we should be all good to go on that. We need to actually take the boards off around the door because we haven't done this part yet. So just a little bit more insulation to go, and then we will be done with that portion of it at least. So. Luckily on this corner piece over here, we got the measurements right, and we got them on the first time. Nothing, just a quick little hole with some tape over, and this one did not give us nearly the trouble that the other one did. And the reason we're actually removing the insulation up here is we are actually going to be drilling a hole momentarily for a light that's actually going to be sitting outside. We just want to make sure it was lined up so that everything kind of looks like it was factory made and supposed to be there. And to brace the back of this, we just got a couple of thin pieces of metal with some nuts. Just screwed that in so that it wasn't just sitting on the sheet metal for the trailer. Going into the door here, we were really expecting to have problems with it. We weren't expecting to have nearly the amount of issues that we had with the window, but you know, that's just kind of the way it goes sometimes. But luckily everything around the door went great, and this part was much quicker than we had anticipated. This section right here is really just showing off the insulation. This is pretty much finished minus us just putting some walls back up, and we got to get the window in there, but it ended up looking really nice and we were really happy with it. And we're just putting the butyl tape on the window at this point so that once we get it in there, we will have a seal. And this right here is the end of the job site on day 2, pretty much. We just got the window in, checking it out. Everyone's pretty exhausted. Sunday's rolling to an end, and everyone's got work the next day. So, hey, thanks for watching, guys. You have a good one.